How to enable dark mode on Instagram. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Instagram. Dark mode provides a sleek and comfortable viewing experience, especially in low light conditions. Let's dive in. First, unlock your smartphone and open the Instagram app. Tap on your profile picture or the main menu icon, three horizontal lines, in the top right corner to access your profile. In your profile, tap on Settings, which is the gear icon at the top bottom corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Display or Theme depending on your device and Instagram version. Look for the option labeled Dark Mode or Theme and tap on it. You may also have options like Dark, Light or System Default, so choose Dark to enable dark mode on Instagram. Once enabled, your Instagram interface will switch to dark mode, providing a more comfortable viewing experience. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to enable dark mode on Instagram. Dark mode reduces eye strain and enhances visibility in low light environments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.